Dear students, today I am posting my next video on applications of electronics engineer, in which we are seeing what are automobile electronics and in which the last part, solar automobiles. So today we will see what are solar automobiles. So the hot topic for the day will be solar automobiles, that is vehicles which run on solar energy, where solar energy from the sun is converted into electrical energy, and that electrical energy is used by the automobiles for running. So if you see the basic definition, what exactly happens in a solar vehicle? A solar vehicle or solar electric vehicle is an electric vehicle which is powered completely or significantly by direct solar energy. So a direct sun energy we are going to use and convert that sun energy into electrical energy. Now, how do we convert the sun energy into electrical energy? That can be done by using photovoltaic cells, which are called as PV cells. So photovoltaic cells are one in which when light falls on them, okay, when light falls on them, a electric voltage conversion takes place. So it is called as photovoltaic cell. Now in that, when solar energy from the sun is incident on this photovoltaic panels, then it will be converted into electrical energy. The term solar vehicle usually implies that solar energy is used to power all or a part of vehicle's propulsion. Now, in vehicles working, either you can use solar energy for the complete vehicle working or a part of vehicle working, depending on what is the storage of your electrical battery and what is the power you require to work. Solar power may also be used to provide power for communications or controls or other auxiliary functions in the vehicle. So solar energy can be used for other functions in the vehicle also. Now, if you go to see a car, how it looks, okay. Now here you can see this is a car which is running on solar energy, and top of the car here you can see the solar panels. These are the panels. So these are your solar panels. Solar panels, which are nothing but your photovoltaic cell, PV cells, which will convert sun's light energy, light energy into electrical energy. Electrical energy. So they are working on photovoltaic concept. Then if you see a diagram what exactly happens in the car, then here you can see you are having the solar panels at the top. At the top you are having solar panels. So here you can see these are the solar panels, what is shown over here. Then those solar panels will take the sun rays, sunlight, okay, and that sunlight is converted into electrical energy, okay, and that electrical energy is given to a peak power tracker. This is a peak power tracker here, and then it is going to go to a battery pack where the battery will be charged, and then the power from the battery will go to the motor controller, and then the motor controller is going to give a rotational movement to the wheels, rear wheels of the car. Okay, so that is how your electrical energy is going to work, is going to run a DC motor, and that motor is going to run a rotational movement for the wheels. Okay, now generally here now your sun's energy, which is light energy, okay, which is solar energy, is converted into electrical energy by the solar panels on the concept of photovoltaic cells, and then that energy is stored by a battery, and it is also used to run a 24-volt DC motor. Now that rotational moment of the motor is transferred to the rear wheel of the vehicle, and that is how the vehicle starts moving. So if you want to see the block diagram for this, then you can see it in this way. If you want to draw in your exams, what is the block diagram, the simple and the basic block diagram of solar automobiles. So you can see here, you're having your sun over here. So sun is going to give the solar energy here. So this is how solar energy is picked. Then it is picked by the solar panels. Solar panels are nothing but your photovoltaic cells, which will convert the light energy. This light energy is converted into electrical energy. Okay. Now that electrical energy is used to charge batteries. Okay. And the power from the battery is used to run a 24-volt DC motor of 1 HP, 1 horsepower. Now this DC motor rotational moment is transferred by a mechanism which is called as transchain. Now it is transferred to the wheel, that is the rear wheel of your vehicle, and the wheel starts moving. That is how solar energy is converted to electrical energy, and then electrical energy is used by the DC motor to convert it into mechanical energy, and the wheel starts moving. Now, this is what a basic general block diagram of solar automobile is. So, if you have to explain this, you can explain that sun is the main source of energy for the vehicles. Energy from the sun is captured by solar panels and then converted into electrical energy. The electrical energy is then fed to the batteries that get charged and is also used to run a 24-volt DC high torque, high bending moment, high torque DC series motor. The shaft of the motor is connected to the rear wheels of the vehicle through a mechanism called as chain sprocket. Okay, that is how the rotational moment of the motor is passed to the rotational moment of the wheels. Okay, so if you have to see the advantages of solar automobiles, that is benefits of solar automobiles, you can have the first benefit as it is eco-friendly and quiet. Okay, so solar powered vehicles have zero emission level as they don't utilize non-renewable resources and burn fuel. The electric motors generate electricity that does not emit any greenhouse gases or any other pollutants. These cars are quieter than the vehicles powered by conventional fuels, which don't cause noise pollution as well. Then the second advantage, second benefit is the energy availability. Solar cars derive their power from the sun indirectly, that always shines and provides endless energy. The efficient solar panels can produce and store more house power for the vehicle. Then a third main benefit is no fuel cost. Unlike the conventionally fueled vehicles, solar vehicles have no fuel cost and a low cost of maintenance. And the fourth specific benefit is the driving comfort. Having aluminum and lightweight components, the solar power car runs faster and more smoothly than the petrol and diesel engine vehicles. So these were some of the benefits of solar automobiles. Now, if you go to see the limitations of solar automobiles, we can see that the first limitation, main limitation, can be your power density. Power from solar array is limited by the size of the vehicle and the area that can be exposed to sunlight. So it is limited by the size of the vehicle and also the area which is exposed by the sunlight. Second limitation will be the cost. The photovoltaic cells are costly. And the third limitation can be design consideration. The lifetime of solar models is approximately around 30 years. Okay, so these were the limitations of solar automobiles. Thank you, students.